If you want people to remember your book and your name, you need more than just a story. You need an author brand. An author brand isn't just a logo or a website. It's the overall impression you create, the tone you use, the kind of content you post, and how people feel when they hear your name. So how do you build an author brand? Let's find out. The first step is knowing what you want to achieve. Do you want to be a full-time author? Do you want to grow a business? Or are you just writing for personal satisfaction? Your goal influences everything, from the platform you choose to what kind of posts you write. For example, if you're a coach aiming to get more clients, you should be posting informational content on platforms like LinkedIn. But if you're writing fiction, you can post more fun content like book trailers or excerpts from your book on platforms like Instagram. Now let's talk about where you want to build your brand. Different platforms serve different goals. Instagram is great for visual storytelling and building a loyal fan base. So if you're writing fiction or you're writing non-fiction but lifestyle-based content, Instagram could be the platform for you. LinkedIn works great for business authors and non-fiction authors in general who want to share their expertise. Facebook is perfect for community building, especially through groups and events. YouTube is great for deeper engagement and better visibility, as YouTube videos often show up on Google search results. And remember, you don't need to create content on every platform. Just pick one or two platforms where your audience is most active and focus on creating content on those. Once you've picked your platform, you need to plan what you're going to post. Your content should serve your goals as an author. If your goal is to sell services, your content should highlight client results and provide valuable tips. If you're aiming to create a personal brand or build a community, then you can lean into storytelling. You can share your experiences, behind the scenes content, and talk about what inspires your writing. To stay organized, use content buckets or categories with each bucket covering a different goal. So for example, if you're a business owner looking to sell your products, then your content can include both educational content and promotional content. So your page stays helpful and not overly salesy. Next, focus on visuals. Your brand's visual identity includes colors and fonts. Pick a color palette that matches your tone and genre and keep it consistent across your website, your social media, and your book cover. And your brand also includes how you sound. This is your author voice or persona. Are you warm and friendly or are you informative? Your tone should match your personality and it should be consistent across your book, your posts, and even your emails. This consistency builds trust. It makes readers feel like they know you, and that's what keeps them coming back. Whether you're just starting out or you've already written a few books, having a clear and distinct author brand can really help you stand out. At Notion Press, we help authors align their brand with their goals so their work reaches the audience it's meant for. Click the link below to sign up. Do you have any more questions? Check out our other videos to stay updated about all things publishing. And you can also click on the link in the description to talk to one of our publishing consultants who will help clear all your doubts. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more updates. Happy publishing!